Hello, all. Where do you stay? Are you staying rural or urban? If you are staying in urban, then you are at a greater risk. Long term exposure to traffic air pollution may increase the risk of developing chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Yes, viewers, true. A major share of Bangalore's air pollution is caused by vehicular traffic. Say environmentalist, between 2015 to 2020, the city saw an 80% rise in respiratory illness triggered by air pollution. In Bangalore, vehicle pollution and dust are the major contributors to air pollution. And as listed earlier in this series, they cause several health and environmental problems. There is no single solution to mitigate air pollution given by the number of government agencies involved and the heterogeneous mix of vehicles, users and commuters. An average 6,700 BMTC buses ferry 49.5 lakhs passengers in 79,600 bus trip across the city. As on March 31, 2014, there were 50.5 lakh vehicles registered, and the year 2019-20 it has increased to 74 lakhs to 80.45 lakhs. Bangalore city, of which the two-wheelers, cars and jeeps were 44.74 lakhs. That being said, when the cons of driving individual vehicles, including increasing air pollution, traffic jams, fuel cost, ill-tempered motorists and reducing parking spots, etc. are listed down, maybe it is a time to take a step back and consciously make a decision to avoid being a part of the problem. Thousands are doing it, but there is no a significant impact because a large number are still using their own vehicles to commute. The problem of air pollution. Air pollution is a major health risk in India. According to Lancet Planetary Health, 1 in 8 deaths in India are due to poor air quality and exposure to ultrafine particulate matter. But compared to the capital Delhi and the cities in northern India, the air pollution crisis in Bangalore has not been in the spotlight. Cases of child asthma, upper respiratory infections, chronic pulmonary disease as well as heart attacks in young people are increasing. Once known as Garden City, Bangalore has seen profound changes in recent years. The solution of air pollution. Tackling emissions at their source is a key to addressing Bangalore's air pollution crisis. Health professionals have a leading role to play in addressing transport is the primary source of air pollution in the city. There are many measures are there to control air pollution. These include stricter pollution standards for vehicles, stricter policies on parking, pollution control checks and incentivizing public transport along with the promotion of cleaner modes of transport. Bangalore has taken steps in this direction by joining World Health Organization's Breathe Life campaign with commitments of citywide solution for clean air. This includes plan to expand to reach of metro services, stricter emissions and fuel standards, introduction of e-buses and cleaning LAN. In addition, increased air monitoring is needed so that research on health impacts can be undertaken.